I want to show you how to make police siren flashing lights overlay in Premiere Pro. Go over to your Shape tool and select the ellipse, then begin drawing several different size circles on your preview screen. Now, click an area of your timeline to deselect that graphic, then create another group of circles on your screen like the other. Highlight the first shape layer and go over to Essential Graphics. Then while holding Shift, click to highlight all the shapes. Then go down and change the fill color to blue. Now highlight the second shape layer and do the same thing as before, except this time, after selecting all the graphics, you will select the color red as the fill. Go over to Effects and search for Gaussian Blur and add the effect to both shape layers. Now, under Effect Controls for each layer, you'll want to change the blurriness to somewhere between 600 and 800. To make our lights flash, go over to Effects and search for Strobe Light and add it to both shape layers again. Now, under each shape layer, go over to Effect Controls and change the random strobe probability to 10% and change the color to black. Everything is ready. Let's see the result.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.